One day on Mount Everest changed climbing forever. It was May 10th, 1996. Dozens of climbers were trying to reach the summit. Then, a powerful snowstorm hit without warning. Visibility disappeared, and many climbers lost their way. In freezing temperatures, some became trapped near the summit. By the end of the storm, 8 climbers had lost their lives. The tragedy led to major changes in Everest safety and climbing practices. Would you still try to climb Mount Everest?